Well, I finally finished animation on this set right here, and before I break this apart, I figured I could take a video of it. So here we go. I have only two sources of light. One is my tablet and a tablet. Underneath, I just took a plain white picture. And that's the brightest I could get it. And that lights up the floor underneath, as you can see. And then the life lights provide the rest of the light in here. I stuck them all over the place, 3 or 4 in each wall. Well, 3 in one wall and 4 in the other because I lost one of my life lights somewhere. This light turned out pretty well. I really like it. This particular one, behind the gear. Because of that. So yeah, I've also got my next set over here. It's about 2/3 of the way done. It's going to be a study sort of area. I need to finish the third wall and all the furniture, but I've got this bookcase over here, mostly done. I need more books. And then this wall with the large window and the nice container paneling. I really like how that turned out. And then this hallway back here to fill in the doorway. So yeah, I think that's about it. Okay, I'm done filming on this second set. This is some sort of abandoned room that our main character, this guy right here, finds himself waking up in. It's got all your basic abandoned room stuff, like the spiderweb boxes lying around, and a big scary window with bars. Oh yeah, and plants on the walls as well. This window is kind of fun. My friend gave me the idea of putting parchment paper along the back here. That way it diffuses the light that comes through, sort of spreads it across the window. That way you don't see the outline of the lamp or any of the backdrop through the window. I didn't need to do that on the door over here because this lamp is large enough. That's a small enough, or the window on the door is small enough. But yeah, I really like the effect that they created. There were kind of a lot of reflections to deal with in this set, which was kind of annoying. Light bouncing all over the place. But I like how it turned out. And now I get to work on filming on my third set. Okay, I just finished filming both scenes that take place here on this set. This is our main character's study sort of room. You got a desk and a chair, nice big window, the drinks table, and then his collection of bugs, I suppose, on that wall, plus some other bugs here that are stored in the bookcase. This set was a lot of fun to build. My friend Sean helped me design it. He gave me some great suggestions, like this paneling on the wall here. made up of the containers. That was his idea. Pretty great. Above the set here we've got a monkey and a bat watching over the set. They've been here the whole time. They don't appear in the film, unfortunately, but they're there. Here in the hallway we've got a picture of what is presumably a family member. He looks kind of angry. The scene that I just finished filming takes place at night, so I've got nice big flashlight there, something like 240 lumens, to shine through the window. The other one takes place in the day, so I've got all my lamps set up around here. So far this is definitely my favorite set to build, and I'm pretty sure it'll remain that way. Also, just general design, definitely my favorite. Not so much fun to film because it's kind of fancy, so it's hard to take apart the walls, except for the bug wall over here. So, not that maneuverable for the camera. Or the camera is not very maneuverable in there, but it looks great in my opinion, so that makes up for it. Over here I've got our guy's suit and then an extra hand, so I didn't have to pop this arm out of, or an extra arm, so I didn't have to pop these arms out of socket, and these arms. He's in his pajamas right now because it was nighttime. I think that's about it. I'm not sure what set I'm going to work on next, but probably the forest scene, just because I need to get that one out of the way. That's probably the hardest one that still needs to be done. Okay, I was in the middle of filming this third scene on this set, and I realized that I need to build a couple minifigures who are going to kidnap our main character. So I grabbed all my pieces, and I need to finish designing them. This he's going to be sort of like some sort of, I don't know, warehouse worker or something. The other guy was hoping to find a pretty normal torso for. I'm kind of looking for a specific one. It's that shirt that I used on the guy from Crab Crackdown. Let's see if I can find it. This one's a possibility. Right there. Okay, I can't find it. I'm not sure where it went. That's okay. I think I can go with this shirt. Well, that's another blue shirt. That might not be the best idea. Maybe this one? Ah, that works, I think. It's good enough. Do I have any jean colored ones? Dark jean. Dark blue, there we go. Okay, these two guys are good. Now for the heads. This is my drawer of heads. It's pretty full. How about one of them has a mustache? Maybe not. I don't like those faces. For this dude, I can't put a head on one hand. Here we go. There, grandpa face. And then this guy's gonna be younger, so that works. Now, hair. Okay. Well, that guy's got red locks. There we go. The old guy. Well, I think I've got old man hair somewhere in here. But I don't want that. Let's see. I've got this hair. No, I don't like that. You could always have a hat of some kind. A hat like this. That's pretty good. I might make changes to these minifigures, but for now, I like it, I think. Alright, I just finished the last scene that takes place here in this set. In this last shot, they're dragging our guy out of the scene there. This set was a really fun one to build. My friend came over and helped me do it. I think I have a time lapse of us building it. Anyway, yeah, I really like how it turned out. It was much better than I was originally thinking. It was a fun set to build on. Not as good as I was hoping because it's hard to get good shots because the background is only on one side of the set. I spun the set around a little bit, but it didn't help a whole lot. But I am still happy with how the scenes turned out, especially that last one. I think that's scene 10 in the film, where he gets kidnapped here. So yeah, now I just have to film the outside of the machinist's house and the bug close-ups, and then I am done, ready to finish editing, recording all those sound effects and music. I am right now just about ready to start recording some sound effects. I need some boxes falling over, so I brought laptop and microphone down here to the garage to record that. So let's see how this goes. Well, apparently I can't encode MP3s on this computer, but that's okay. I'll just use waves, I guess. Well, that I think worked out pretty well. We'll see how it looks in the final film. I am just now setting up to film these final few shots. I've got 3 or 4, kind of depends on how this goes, shots to film on this set, and then that's everything. I'm just getting this set up to start filming right now. And with that, animation is complete. As you can see, he's just about to ring the doorbell here, and that's the final shot. If I have time, I might add a couple shots somewhere. There's one place that I had to cut a couple shots just because of time restraints. So once I finish sound design and such, I might do that, but chances are I will have absolutely no time after composing and finishing all the Foley. Hope it goes well. Got 1 week left. Well, I did say there was no more animation left, but that was not entirely true. I still have to do these bug close-ups here, but I am taking care of them right now while listening to The Little Prince. It's pretty good. So yeah. It's coming along pretty well. I hope these aren't too hard to edit into the film. Okay, I finished those bug close-ups. I really like how they turned out. And now, I have done a quick draft edit of the film. Right here, it's looks like it's 9 minutes long. With credits and everything, we'll see how long it is finally. I need to really crack down on Foley right now. I think I'm going to record some dirt sound effects here for when the bugs are moving around. I am on my way over to a nature trail sort of area that's down the street from my house, or I guess up, because this is uphill. Anyway, I'm going to try to record some nature sounds there. Hopefully the road noise won't be too bad, but it's not like my film takes place in an area with no cars anyway. That's a cool old stump. Okay. Okay. This bridge should be a good place. There is a really small creek somewhere down there. And yes, the bridge does make noises. Okay, you might be able to see there is a creek way down there. See some running water. It's better on the other side. There. So yeah, this should be some good nature sounds. Okay, so I ran out of camera card space while recording myself recording that Foley out there on the bridge. But I am back now and I'm copying over all these files to my computer. I got lots of sound here. Hopefully it'll all fit. So there's about a day and 22 hours, I think, left in the contest. I have spent all day today trying to work on scoring this film. I've gotten 5 minutes done so far. Of the 9, so just 4 to go. I like how it's turning out, and I hope that I can get it done in time, and that I will like the completed film. I think I have 4 sound effects that I still need to record, but once that's done, I guess I should start rendering it because it's going to take forever. So yeah, hope I can finish this soon and get it entered in the contest. And it's uploading. It's and it's uploading. There are about not quite 4 hours left in the contest, so chances are this will be uploaded and submitted just fine. I can't wait to release this and see all the other films.